A delightful day to you, my dear learners. Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited that you will join me in my reading tutorials. I know you are all ready. So, let's start.
My dear learners, today I will teach you how to read words and sentences with egg family. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin. Book, egg, bag. Again, bag. Very good, kids. Cook, egg, keg. Again, keg. You're doing great. Egg, leg. Again, leg. You are amazing. Egg, mag. Again, mag. Very good, kids. Egg, bag. Again, bag. Nice one, kids. M, family. M, fem. Again, fem. Great job. M, ham. Again, ham. Well done. Ram. Again, ram. Congratulations. This time, we are going to read the following words. Bag, keg, leg, mag, bag, ham, fem, ram. Great job! Sentences. A web on the ham. He begged to fed. He pegged the keg. Ham on a leg. It is a red keg. Congratulations! You made it, kids!
Thank you for watching. To watch this video offline, you can download this video anytime. If you want to read with me, feel free to subscribe to this channel. Goodbye, learners. See you soon.
If you are new to this channel, please like, share, and subscribe.